Hey, what's going on guys, welcome back. So if you are a tech enthusiast, by now you would have probably heard about the Lenovo Z5 and how Lenovo promised a full screen display, 4 TB of storage and a 45 days of battery life. Lenovo promised 4 technical breakthroughs which made us expect something like this, and the real thing turned to be this, and it has nothing of that. None of those promises turned out to be real. They promised 4 technological breakthroughs and I don't see even one. And why don't I see them? Simply because there are no technical breakthroughs. It's simple. It is just like every other Android phone. Notch, bottom bezel, nothing new. They teased these images, and purely technically speaking, these images are indeed real. This is the top corner, which indeed looks exactly like this, but this is cheesy and misleading on Lenovo's part. Lenovo did all this to create a hype around their phone, which surely they succeeded in, but they made their fans angry. And by the way, there aren't a lot of Lenovo fans and their sales are also weak. So they're at the point that they don't have much to lose. For them, every publicity is a good publicity. If Samsung and Apple would have done the same, it would have cost them a lot. But for Lenovo, it makes sense because it's the last resort. Now if some of you know, technically Lenovo never said that Z5 will have 45 days of standby time. The 45-day battery was for a smartwatch, but they never mentioned that, and they knew that people will link it with the phone instead of the smartwatch. Same story with the 4 TB of storage. It was a hard drive they announced, but again they didn't mention it that it's not for the phone, and again they knew people will link it to the phone, which will create a heck lot of hype. Now hey, I'm not saying that the phone itself is a bad phone. It's a pretty good deal at the price, which is between $200–300 depending on the storage options. Snapdragon 636 is also good. The phone overall is okay or good. The marketing, to be accurate, the fake marketing was the bad part. I hope Lenovo and other OEMs don't do this in future. It makes us lose trust. So guys, this was what Lenovo did, and I will say it was a fiasco. Hit the like button if you enjoyed it. Subscribe to the channel for more videos like this one, and I'll see you all soon. Peace out.